Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we'll open up the door. Right here's your power window switch. You can use a small flat tip screwdriver to kind of pry up on it, and it'll pop right out. Then you can push down on the tab on the connector to release the connector from the switch. Reinstalling is simply putting the connector back into the switch and snapping it right down back into the door panel.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.